Even if you have no idea what you're doing, you don't know the difference between scales, railroad eras, track type, anything. If you have young kids, you should get a model train set this Christmas for your family. And I'm going to tell you why.
This video is brought to you by Model Railroad Academy. Model Railroad Academy is your online resource for model railroad instructions, ideas, and information, with loads of tutorials and articles for model railroaders of every skill level. One of my personal favorites is Alan Keller's Great Model Railroads series. It is just so much fun to look at all of these different model railroads from all of these different great model railroaders and just get inspiration from those. Plus, you can find tutorials on everything from bench work to electronics to scenery, all sorts of things there. The first 1,000 people to use the link in the description will get a full year of Model Railroad Academy for just $1.49.
Hey everybody, my name's Jimmy. Welcome to Coffee and Trains. Today I'm drinking some Starbucks Holiday Blend, getting into that festive Christmas spirit. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and have it featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your name pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Cheers, guys. Model trains have become synonymous with Christmas. This time of year, it's as American as apple pie, Canadian as poutine, British as tea, European as... well, I'm not going to try and lump all Europeans together. But why should you get a train set for your family for Christmas? The first reason is that it's a fun item to have at Christmas. Running a train around the Christmas tree or in a small Christmas village is something that can make family memories and create a fun tradition for the holiday season. If you are looking to do this and nothing more, I highly recommend Lionel trains and other O-scale offerings. Lionel makes a load of fun themed trains, including the quintessential Christmas train, the Polar Express. Lionel is O-scale, which is a very tangible scale and definitely workable for smaller children with adult supervision. Lionel also fits well with those Christmas villages you see people building. I know several people who have built Christmas train sets every year, and they get pretty big. The second reason is that model railroading is a very tangible and real experience for children. There is something awe-inspiring about these miniature trains. They're mesmerizing to kids, and they can take their eyes away from those tablets that you may be getting a little sick of. I know I am. I am always a fan of letting my children play with any toy that stimulates their mind and inspires their creativity. Model trains is a gateway to a lot of creative activities, which is something we're going to talk about in the next section. Are model trains the cheapest toy? No. Are they meant for the littlest of little kids? No. That's why wooden trains exist, and those are another great option if your kid's just a little too small for this. But model trains are a classic toy that have been around for well over 100 years, and they still manage to inspire. And who knows what you will inspire with your kids in that moment with that electric train set when it takes off down the track. The third reason is you could be starting a family hobby. I know I have. My son loves running trains with me, and I will let him go to the local model train store and pick up those $5 junk cars and play with them to his heart's content. This can be another thing that you share with your kids. I cannot tell you how many moms and dads have reached out to me telling me their kids are obsessed with trains and they have no idea where to start. So listen up here if this is you. The best place to start is a starter set and Google. You can learn right along with your child. Are you going to mess up? Sure, I've messed up plenty of times, but this is half the fun. As you and your child grow in your model railroad journey, you may see something cool happen. You see, model railroading is a super hobby, and what I mean by that is that a lot of different things are included in this hobby. You have woodworking, painting, electrical work, scenery and model building, computer programming, 3D printing, and many more things, pretty much anything that you can add to it. Model railroading is an amazing STEAM hobby. That's science, technology, engineering, art, and math. It uses all of those. Not only will you be having fun with your kids and sharing a hobby or activity that doesn't involve mindlessly staring at a screen, model railroading may unlock a new area of interest for your child that could lead them into a great career or area of study. At worst, you'll have fun with your kids. Model railroading is one of the most family-friendly hobbies out there. But it can be daunting to start, and that's why Christmas time is a great time to try the hobby out because there are so many directions that you can take from there. If you're looking for more information, you can check out these videos right here. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.